Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain about precipitation titration, basic concept of precipitation titration and solubility product in the precipitation titration. Let's see. Precipitation titrations are the titration in which chemical reaction between two ions takes place that lead to formation of precipitate. Okay, in which chemical reaction between two ions. Okay, two ions takes place that lead to formation of precipitate. This chemical reaction between two ions that leads to formation of precipitate. One is cation and another is anion. Okay, this ionic product means the precipitate is the formation of ionic product. Okay, the ionic product forces the reaction towards complete. Okay, let's see the reaction according to the definition. Okay, here sodium chloride and potassium chlorides are the samples. This is going to titrate with silver nitrate sample in precipitation titration. Okay, here you can see when NaCl reacting with AgNO3, AgCl precipitate is formed along with sodium nitrate. When KCl reacting with AgNO3, AgCl biprecipitate along with potassium nitrate. Here you can see here this precipitate, white precipitate, silver precipitate is formed due to the reaction between chloride ion and silver ion. Reaction between these two ions. One is cation, another is anion. Okay, here the precipitation titrations are mainly useful for the determination of halides, cyanides, thiocyanides. This is the most important thing. Okay, which kind of titration is useful for the determination of halides means precipitation titration. Which is useful for determination of cyanides and thiocyanate means precipitation titration. This bit is asked in the GPAT in previous year. Okay, in previous examination this question was asked in the GPAT. Okay, and silver nitrate is most commonly used precipitating agent. What is the most commonly used precipitating? Silver nitrate. The titration in which silver nitrate used as a precipitating agents are also known as argentometric titration. Means okay, the titration in which silver nitrate are using as precipitating agents are also known as argentometric titration. Precipitation titrations are also known as argentometric titration because there we are using silver nitrate as a precipitating agent. Here argentometric titrations are nothing but use of Artons are silver nitrate, potassium chloride, sodium nitrate, like that. So silver nitrate. Then basic requirements of precipitation titration. What are the basic required for formation of precipitation? The precipitate formed should be practically insoluble. The precipitate is practically insoluble. The precipitate reaction is rapid and quantitative. The endpoint of titration must be detected. The endpoint of titration must be detected. The titration result should not be affected by the adsorption. The titration result should not be affected by the adsorption. Means, for suppose here main precipitate is there. Okay, AgCl is the main precipitate. Here to this main precipitate, any other impurities or any other ions should not adsorb. Okay, should not adsorb on this main precipitate. If any impurities are adsorbed means it leads to errors in the results. That means the precipitation result should not affected by adsorption effects. That is. Then disadvantages of precipitation titration means some drawbacks are there, some limitations are there. What are those? Precipitation titrations are limited in use as compared to other titration because of two reasons. Here we have complexometric titration, neutralization titration, non-aqueous titration, and redox titrations are there. Many other titrations are there. As compared to other titration for analysis of compounds, precipitation titration is less commonly used because of two reasons. What are those? Lack of indicators to detect the endpoint. Here very few detectors are available. Few indicators are available to detect the endpoint. And slow rate of precipitation reaction takes place. And second drawback is here precipitation reaction generally occur very slowly. Okay, the rate of reaction of precipitation is very slow. These are the disadvantages of precipitation titration. Then concept of precipitation titration. Okay, it is very important. The concept of precipitation titration is depends upon the solubility product. Okay, that is very important. What is meant by solubility product? Okay, solubility product, it is a product of concentration of ions. It is a product of concentration of ions formed from slightly soluble salt in solution. Okay, solubility product nothing but it is a product of concentration of ions. It is product of concentration of ions which are formed from slightly soluble salt, means sparingly soluble salt in solution form. That is known as solubility product. Keep it, okay, keep in mind that this definition. Okay, and it is denoted by KSP, K suffix SP. SP nothing but solubility product. Okay, then it is only applicable to slightly soluble salt or sparingly soluble salt. The soluble product is only applicable to the slightly soluble salt. Here consider solution consists slightly soluble salt, that is Ba, in equilibrium. Okay, we have the slightly soluble salt, that is Ba. Okay, when this slightly soluble salt present in equilibrium, okay, then the reaction is Ba, that is solid. Okay, and this is solution form, concentration of B and concentration of A. These two ions are there. This is undesirable form and this is desirable form. Here equilibrium nothing but it can be represented in reversible reaction. Nothing but here both ionic forms and undesirable forms both are equal. Means okay, both ionic and as well as okay anionic. Okay, undesirable form. These two are equal in solution form. That means equilibrium. 50% ionics are there and 50% okay anionic form is there. Okay, this is okay undesirable form and this is dissociated form. Here to this we are applying law of mass action. Law of mass action, we already know that the velocity of reaction, it is directly proportional to their concentration. Whether reaction is going forward, whether reaction is going backward, that is depends upon their concentration. Okay, concentration. In forward direction will be happen if the reactant concentration is high. If backward reaction is happen if the productant concentration is high. Forward is happen if the reactant concentration is high. If backward reaction is happening if the product concentration is high. That is depends upon their concentration, whether it is going forward or backward. Okay, here by applying law of mass action, it is okay, then equation will be K equal B concentration of B plus concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ba. Means these are the concentration of Ba nothing but concentration of undissociated form. In the presence of undissolved solid Ba, okay, Ba nothing but undissolved solid only. The concentration of Ba means this concentration of Ba is in the solution is constant. The concentration of Ba in solution is constant. Hence it is negligible, so it cannot be considered. So remaining we should write. Then therefore Ksp is equal concentration of B plus concentration of A minus. Means this Sp means solubility product of this solubility product is concentration of B plus and concentration of A minus. Instead of Sp we can also write Ba. K suffix Ba equal concentration of B plus and concentration of A minus. And what is the definition? Product of concentration of ions. Here this is the solubility product. Kba means solubility product of Ba. It is a product of concentration of ions. You can see concentration of B plus ion and concentration of negative ion. This is the solubility product. Okay, these two are product of concentration of ions which are formed from slightly soluble salt. These are formed from slightly soluble salt, that is Ba, and in solution. These are available in solution. And you see, if the solubility product Ksp is greater than the concentration of ions, means no precipitation will be takes place. If solubility product is greater than the concentration of ions, then supersaturation will be takes place. There is no precipitation. If solubility product is equal to the concentration of ions, then saturation will be saturation, means both are equal, saturated. Then if solubility product is less than concentration of ions, then precipitation occurs. Solubility nothing but here less, whenever the less ions are present in the solution, then only precipitation will be occurred. Means undissolved form is high. If the concentration of dissolved forms is less and undissolved form is high, then precipitation will be occurred. This is the thing. Then here those only sparingly soluble salt means only sparingly soluble or slightly soluble salt means only few percent of their will be available in ionic form and remaining is undissolved form, means most of most of the are available in undecided only. These only give precipitation. Here some KSP values of various lightly soluble salt at 25 degrees centigrade. Means some solubility product values of various sparingly soluble salt at room temperature, that is 25 degrees centigrade. Let's see what are those. First one, silver chloride. Okay, that is having 1.8 into 10 to the power of minus 10. And silver thiocyanate soluble product value is 1.03 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Then silver chromate value is 1.2 into 10 to the power of minus 12. Then Hg2Cl2 value is 1.43 into 10 to the power of minus 18. Then barium nitrate is 4.64 into 10 to the power of minus 3. Here all these are sparingly soluble salt only and their respective solubility product value. And this is the concept, this is the basic concept and principle involved in the precipitation titration. Thank you very much.